In this video, I will share with you how I write product descriptions, and we will also analyze some stores so you can see some bad examples and some good examples. Before we dive in, let's make sure that we all understand what is dropshipping and that we are talking the same language, because I have never told you this before. So, dropshipping is a business where you sell products online but without having a stock. Basically, you will ship the products directly from the supplier to the customer and only when you have the sale. As a result, you will never see or touch the product, and also you don't have to worry about packaging, shipping and so on. Most people dropship from AliExpress, but in 2020 there are so many other options to get faster shipping and better quality products. I will make sure that I will answer all your questions about dropshipping, so don't hesitate to leave a comment and ask me anything you want. Also, make sure you support me with a like, subscribe and whatever you want. Now, let's see what your product description must include to convert in sales. The first thing that you have to remind is that on the product description you can put the customer on the first place and make him feel like that product description was made specially only for him. Just think about it. You see an ad for a bag, you click on it, and then you land on a page where there are not many informations about that bag, or that there are only some checkpoints like this. You don't know anything about this bag, and even if it has a good price and if it looks nice, you won't buy it. Just trust me, I have seen so many Shopify stores with so basic product description that I really had to do a video about this important thing. So next, let's see how a good product descriptions should look like for the same bag, and I have already prepared this in advance for you, so it's faster to explain. As you can see, the description starts with a statement that includes the bag's name, and later I will tell you why this is so important. A full personality and very practical, the luxury lady tote handbag is generous enough to carry anything with you. It fits perfectly with any style and any occasion. So, just after that, we have put a picture to keep the customer interested. Then we go with 3 checkpoints so we can highlight the benefits and the main features of this product. As we have mentioned the colors before, we will put some other pictures so we can show them off. Then you will write another statement, giving you the confidence to express your individuality. This luxury lady tote handbag is perfect with jeans, jackets and all the pieces you love. Pick one of the 5 exclusive classic colors that fit you better and be fashion all the time. These kind of statements are very important because if the customer reads them, he will think, oh, this can go with jeans. And hey, I have 5 colors that I can choose from, and it's also fashionable. At the end, you will want to have the basic information about the product because the customer needs that before deciding to buy or not. And there, it's where he will decide if he needs that product, if he wants it, or if he likes it. So, it will decide if it's good for him to buy or not. Now, where would you buy from, the first or the second page? I'm sure that you will go for the second one. The quality of a product description can make or break the sale, especially if it doesn't include the information that the shopper needs to make his purchase decision. Providing key product details is critical if you want your customer to click on the Add to Bag button. And you will also have to differentiate yourself from the other e-commerce competitors. So you will have to be creative and write to and for the customer. Of course, you also have to consider SEO when you write your product descriptions and search for keywords in advance. Also, don't forget to focus on long-tail keywords. Long-tail keywords are keywords or key phrases that are more specific and usually longer than the common searched keywords. And this will help you a lot ranking in search engines. They are going to be scanning your entire paragraph and see see how meaningful your content is and what value it provides, so you make sure that your keywords are relevant to the context. Now, the last thing, and then we will go and see some stores and some product descriptions so you can make a better idea, is that you have to answer to some questions before starting to write your product description, and this is available for any niche, any product, any store. And the first question is, who will use your product? The second is, what are the issues that people have and how this product can help them? 3. What makes this product different from others? 4. How should your buyer feel reading the description? Confident, anxious, happy, and so on. And the last one is, why should people buy this from you? So try answering to these questions, write down or even make checkpoints, and you will see how much this will help you when you start to write your product description. Now let's see some stores and how their product description looks like. As you can see, this store has clear and detailed product descriptions, but I would make them easier to read. There are so many details written one after the other, and it may be boring to read that. Nothing captivates my attention. Also, that how to use, it's almost invisible. I would say that these descriptions are acceptable but not enough. Now, this one may not be a dropshipping store, I don't know it, but I love their product descriptions. They are just enough and they really want you to read them. Just look at this. You know that perfectly worn-in, cozy classic tea you've had and loved for years? Picture that, but better. This tea runs true to size, but feel free to size up for a more relaxed fit. They really make you feel that either the product and the product description were made only for you. Now let's see the other example. Whoa, my eyes hurt right now. Too many colors, the bold, and that font is so hard to keep you concentrated. And for this mascara, even more colors. The font is so small when the other was too big. No. I want to see if this store has at least one acceptable product description. And hey, here it is. This car seat organizer has a more decent product description, thanks God. So now that you have seen some examples, I really hope that you understand what to write and how to write your product description. Just don't go for templates. They may work for some kind of product at some point, but this is not meaning that they will work forever, because each product is different, so your product descriptions should be. And the last thing, try to always focus on the customer. Try to put on the first lines what the customer wants to see and attract him even more and make him feel confident when he's on the product page, so he will be able to hit that add to cart button and complete that checkout and make you money. I will see you in the next video, and don't forget for that like button, and hey, of course, the subscribe and notifications if you want to see more content. Bye bye now!